is no way to reverse aging, but you can repair and rehydrate the skin by using proper skincare products like body lotions. When your skin is getting dry, wrinkly, and sensitive as you age, body lotion keeps the skin healthy and soft. Today, we will talk about top 4 body lotion for aging skin over 60 that got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. So keep watching this video. This lotion features a specially designed antioxidant formula that visibly helps the skin look healthier and more youthful, while nourishing skin hour after hour. The potent formula with antioxidants and niacinamides restores skin's natural, healthy glow and smooths skin's appearance for even tone and texture. The non-irritating, non-greasy lotion nourishes to restore skin hydration by morning and is ideal for delicate neck and chest areas. So let's check the Cetaphil customer reviews. It got 4.7 out of 5. All reviews are 5 star. Works on problem skin. You found it. Dark spots say goodbye. Look, all customers are giving here 5 star. Let's check the other reviews. Retinol is known to diminish the look of deep wrinkles, fine lines, and sun damage while boosting collagen production to help with firming. First formulated for use after cosmetic procedures, this cream is now available for anyone who wants to renew his or her skin. This aging cream with hyaluronic acid hydrates and plumps your skin for a healthier, fuller, and younger appearance. Replenish moisture with a bit of help from aloe vera and chamomile. Nourish your skin while improving your skin's elasticity all at once. It visibly restores volume to areas prone to sagging with wrinkles. Aloe vera defends against visible redness and irritation. Green tea and chamomile guards against environmental damage and reduce puffiness. It promotes a more youthful look and shows off a more radiant skin by breaking up the look of sun damage and wrinkles. Let's check the reviews. Advanced Clinical Retinol Body Lotion. Customer reviews 4.5 out of 5. Here, local gives 5 star. It works. Amazing product. Highly recommended. Okay, let's check the other reviews. This anti-aging body lotion can be used daily to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles while replenishing dry skin. The elements that construct the body lotion are specifically designed to eliminate dehydrated skin. It uses natural extracts to nourish and help improve the health and condition of the skin. The hemp lotion is used to aid the diminishing already flawed skin and is used for preventative care. Formulated with shea butter, ginseng, essential fatty acids, key amino acids, 100% pure organic hemp seed oil, natural minerals and vitamins. Let's check hemp body moisturizer reviews. It goes 4.7 out of 5 of 5 star. Knockoff, someone said. Contains needs to be redesigned. Okay. 5 star, 5 star. Some gets allergic reaction, but other gives 5 star. Okay, let's check our first product reviews. This anti-aging body lotion has a replenishing and soothing formula. It helps diminish visible signs of crepey skin, such as fine, thin wrinkles. This unique smoothing concentrate features protective antioxidants, powerful botanicals, and nourishing omega fatty acids. It moisturizes skin for 24 hours for lasting hydration. This lightweight lotion is fragrance-free, fast-absorbing, non-greasy, and tested by dermatologists. Let's check Gold Bond Aged Renew Body Lotion reviews. Customer reviews are 4.3 out of 5. Amazing product. Sleeveless again. The best cream ever. This is the good cream for crepe correction. Great company, wonderful product, nice lotion. So that's all. If you have any question about these products, write on the comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.